Reddit, one of the internet's most influential platforms, is about to undergo a significant transformation. The online community is in crisis, as thousands of its communities just went dark. Join us as we explore this crucial moment and its implications for the future of Reddit. In a bold move, Reddit is on the brink of a blackout. More than 7,000 popular subreddits are preparing to restrict access to their message boards, leaving users perplexed and communities in silence. But what has led to this drastic action? At the heart of the blackout lies a heated dispute over Reddit's upcoming policy changes. The platform, known for its open nature, is introducing measures to monetize its vast data troves. However, these changes have triggered a fierce backlash from users, moderators, and developers. The crux of the issue revolves around the new policy's plan to charge third-party developers for high-volume data requests, which were previously free. The concern is that this move could hinder innovation, limit access, and disrupt the delicate ecosystem of the platform. The blackout represents a united front, as Reddit communities, big and small, band together in protest. Moderators, users, and even prominent developers are taking a stand, highlighting the potential consequences of these policy changes and advocating for a more inclusive approach. This collective action underscores the significance of Reddit as a community-driven platform and raises critical questions about the role and responsibilities of tech companies in the age of monetization and data privacy. As Reddit enters this period of darkness, the implications and ripple effects are yet to be fully understood. The blackout serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that arise when balancing commercial interests, user empowerment, and the integrity of online communities. Join us as we delve into the complexities of Reddit's blackout, exploring the motivations, potential outcomes, and the broader conversations it sparks about the future of social media platforms. As we continue our journey, let us reflect on the strength of user voices, the importance of data privacy, and the need for responsible technology practices. Stay tuned for more captivating discussions on the ever-evolving relationship between technology, finance, and society.